Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot start Denuvo service error. So no worries, this will be a very simple video, a simple fix. Let's get straight into it. First, go ahead and search on your Windows key, Windows Defender. There you will find Windows Security. Go ahead and click on Windows Security. Once over there, go ahead and scroll down or maximize the window and click on Virus and Threat Protection. Again, go ahead and look for virus and threat protection settings. Click on manage settings. Scroll down until you see the section that says exclusions and then click on add or remove exclusion. Once you open it, go ahead and click on add an exclusion and click folder. In this section, you will have to find your executable file for your game. It will be most likely on your C drive or any other drive that your game is on. Just go ahead and click on that folder and press select folder. Once added, go back to the Windows Security main menu. In this section, I want you to go ahead and go to protection history. In here, you will see an error where it says threat detected, okay? And all threat detected in quarantine. You're going to go ahead and click on that error, and then under that action, you're going to go ahead and click on allow on this device. Make sure to check for all the threat detection, whether your game is or the directory is listed, and if it's listed, make sure to allow on your device. Okay, once allowed, you can close out this and then go open up your game again, and it should work. So that's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.